Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix blurry pictures on Instagram story. In this situation, go for your profile first, click on three line option here, settings and privacy, scroll down. Now you have to go for here data users and media quality and turn on upload at highest quality. So after that, your all photos will be clear on your story. So that's it. This is how you can clear your Instagram stories pictures, can fix your problem by this process. Hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.